Welcome back, everyone. I'm Terry Lively. Hey, today I wanted to come back and talk to you a little bit about machines. A lot of us out there have had great training with our machines. We've had good mentors along the way, but I'm finding that some of you out there are still struggling. So I wanted to just share a tip with you. Now, this is based on an email that I received from a client who had purchased a machine from me. This particular machine I had recommended for hair strokes. So she sends me this email and she says, I can't believe you recommend this machine for hair strokes. I've been trying and trying on my practice pads and I can't get any good clean hair strokes. So I'm thinking, I don't know what she's doing. Send me a video. So she sent me a short video clip and I want to show you a picture from that video and let me know if you can figure out what's going on with this. Take a look. Did you see it? Did you see all the gunk and dried pigment on the tip of that needle? So if you looked real closely, you would see pigment had built up all around here at the base of her needle. So I emailed her back. I said, girl, you have got to keep the needle tip clean. You've got to have a little cup of sterile water on your tray when you're working on clients. And about every 10 minutes, dip your needle in there and run it. Give it a good 10 seconds to rinse. After you do that, take a little soft tissue, turn your machine off, and just dab all that water out. It'll come right out. And you're good to go. Now you'll have really good pigment flow and you won't be struggling and you'll get the results that you want. Anyway, I sent that information to her, got another email back, and she said, oh my God, you've changed my life. No one has ever told me I should be doing that. Anyway, you know, it's the little things, right? So if this has helped you, this tip, you might be thinking, God, Terry, everybody knows that. That's so basic. But again, there's really poor training classes out there and people just don't have the necessary nitty-gritty fundamentals that they need to get good results. So I hope it's helped those of you out there who may have been struggling. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, write a question down below in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you as much as I can. All right, have a great afternoon.